Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Anaconda Navigator on Windows 11 operating system. The process is same on all Windows operating systems. Okay, first go to Anaconda official website. It is anaconda.com. So here we have the free download. Click on it. Click on get started. Click on Google or any of these accounts if you have. Now select Windows. See here Anaconda distribution or mini Conda. Okay, in this video I am going to download this Anaconda distribution. So click on this Windows 64-bit graphical installer. Wait a moment. See, download started. If it is not started, you have to click on this. Go here. Go to downloads. See here its size is 1.1 gigabytes. Wait until download completes. And this is the version of the Anaconda. Once download completes, then we will install Anaconda distribution. See, download is completed. Now click on this exe file. Click on next. See, this is the license agreement. So select I agree. Install for just me or for all users. Select all users. Then click on next. Select the destination folder. This is the default one. If you want some other, click on browse and select the path where you want to install. Click on next. Create shortcuts. See, if you select this one, VS Code, PyCharm, etc. automatically detect Anaconda as the primary Python 3.13. But I have already installed Python 3.14. See here, I have already installed Python 3.14. Okay, it is up to you. If you want Python 3.13, you have to select this one. Okay, click on install. See, installation is completed. Click on next. If you want to launch Anaconda Navigator, you have to keep the checkbox. If you want to see the welcome to all Anaconda, keep the checkbox as selected. I don't want either of them. Then click on finish. Now go to all applications. Then go to Anaconda folder. See here we have the Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda PowerShell, Anaconda Prompt, Jupyter Notebook and Spyder. It is this Anaconda installed these applications. Now open Anaconda Prompt. Then type Python. It has selected the 3.13. Okay. Now open Anaconda Navigator. Wait, it is initializing. First time this will take time. I don't want to sign in. Close this one. Let me maximize it. See, here we have different applications. Okay. Now if you want to open Jupyter Notebook, so click on launch. Now if you want to create notebook new, then select the notebook. Select the kernel Python. Okay. Select it. Now print hello world. Close the parentheses. Select it and click on this execute button or control enter. This type control enter. See, you got the output. If you want new cell, click on plus, then click on execute. See, this is the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Anaconda distribution for Python on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.